Hello my friend and welcome to my channel. Today I've got MJ Lacquer, Oh Goody, and Kawaii Emoji BM XL325. This is MJ Lacquer's Oh Goody. It's from October's Polish pickup. I had to have this stunner. And I'm drawn to these, unusual colors. It's kind of yellow with all those different colored flakies in it, and I just loved it. So here we go with that first coat. And I like the brush, of course. I've said that before, and it's got a really great formula. And here we go with our second coat. Now, I know this color might not be for everybody, but, I'm drawn to things like this, things that look different. I like it. So I'm going to top it with some Pro FX Quick Dry Top Coat because I'm going to play with it. I can't help myself. To me, this one kind of has a Christmas vibe. The flakies in it give it that Christmas vibe to me. And, but I'm not doing a Christmas mani today. Tease. So there's a swatch photo of Oh Goody on its own. And here's the Kawaii Emoji BM XL325 plate. Excuse me. Now this is like the nail polish plate. It's got little polish bottles and stuff, and I can't believe I didn't already own this one. So we'll be using Bundle Monster 8. It's a green, and the Maniology cube stamper and scraper. And we're just going to hop right on here. This is going to be the image I use for my two accent nails, my thumb and my ring fingernail. And I probably could have filled those in, but, whatever. I'm cleaning that stamper off on a lint roller. And then I'm going to use this, drip paint. I've always loved these images, and I don't use them very often. But when I scraped across it, I had to change scrapers so that I could have a big, fat, thick scraper and scrape real soft over it so I didn't gouge it. And here we go. So there we go. Got the first one on pretty good. Here we go with another. I'm just kind of gliding that scraper across, y'all. That's why I don't do this often, is because I don't normally do so well. I normally gouge the paint really bad. You have to be careful with those open images like that so you don't scrape all the paint out of them. Now I have a situation with this one. For whatever reason, I don't get it on there good. There's some up by the cuticle, and I try to save it. I think I might have got my cuticle cream down on that, so we're going to have to try it again in a minute. I do clean my stamper off on a lint roller, and I clean the plate with pure acetone. So here we go. We're going to hop right on into some more stamping. In fact, this green Bundle Monster stamping polish was one of the first stamping polish sets I ever bought. So I always love revisiting the beginning, where it started. And it's still a really great stamping polish. I'm sorry I'm out of frame, but I'm totally checking it out. I did okay on the pinky. I did mess it up a little bit, but I saved it. See, there's that gouging. I did save it, like I tried to save the other one, but, it don't always work. So I'm going to hop in here and get the image again. I'm going in with my piece of tape and removing the excess for the stamped image. And then I decided to go in and just pull up that, because that wasn't the part that didn't stick. It was up by my cuticle. So there we go. Voila. Put a Band-Aid on that rascal. And now we're going back to the original image that I started with to put that on my ring fingernail. And I'm so excited to have this plate. I can see lots and lots of manicures with this one. I'm going to hop in here with a piece of tape and get some of this polish off my skin. As you guys know, this is the part that people don't like. But it's okay. I don't mind it. Cleanup's therapeutic. Get that finger wagging up in your face. Alright, so we're going to hop in with our cleanup brush and some acetone. And I think this is my acetone with the Cuticle from IMK. Keeps that conditioned. I am going to top this one with the Maniology Smudge Free Top Coat. And once that is totally dry, I will be doing my regular top coat. And by regular, I mean Poshe top coat. So here we go. Nice, glossy, quick dry top coat here. Smooth everything down and make it dry quick. And voila, we are done with this one. Almost. Got to cap my fridge here. There we go. Alrighty. There we have it. Hi, Woody. How you doing? I didn't think Woody wasn't going to make it. And there's my swatch photo. I hope you enjoyed this one. Leave me a comment down below. I want to thank you for watching. Until next time, be good to yourself.